Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the bless of Almighty Allah. My name is Aryan Alam Farhan from Aryan Art Academy. Today I am going to show you guys how to make your cover page very simply, or you can say it how to design to your cover page very simply. And if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for get the all new notification of my channel. And if you like my video, so give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give dislike button. And also you need to also comment, say how was my video, what do you think about my video. So let's go and watch the video.